Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abeyance. 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 Abeyance is a noun that refers to a state of temporary suspension, inactivity, or dormancy. It is often used to describe a situation in which something is put on hold or held in reserve for a period of time. Examples: 1. The project was put into abeyance until the necessary funding could be secured. In this sentence, abeyance indicates that the project was temporarily suspended or on hold due to a lack of funding. 2. The company's expansion plans were held in abeyance during the economic downturn. Here, abeyance describes the situation where the company postponed its expansion plans due to economic challenges. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.